In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to transfer your Instagram account from one phone to another. Whether you're switching to a new device or just want to log in on a different phone, it's a simple process, so let's get started. First things first, make sure you have Instagram installed on your new phone. Open the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Instagram. Once you've found Instagram, tap install and get, and let it download and install on your new phone. After the app is installed, open Instagram on your new phone. Once you've downloaded Instagram, open your Instagram on your new phone. Now it's time to log into your account. Enter your username and password associated with the Instagram account. If you've forgotten your password, you can tap on Forgot Password to reset it. Now, also you can log in with your Facebook. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll be able to access your Instagram feed, stories, and all your posts just like you did on your old phone. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your Instagram account to your new phone. If you ran into any issues or have questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below.